Welcome to Grayon Math. We're asked to solve for this problem. The sum of the first 10 terms of an arithmetic sequence is 160. The sum of the next 10 terms of the sequence is 340. What is the first term of the sequence? Okay, so first thing that we have to do is we recall the formula of the sum of an arithmetic sequence, which is an arithmetic series, which is this is equal to S of n equal to n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n, wherein n is the number of terms, a sub 1 is the first term, and a sub n is equal to the last term. Okay, so this can be written as s sub n is equal to n over 2 times a sub 1, but a sub n can be written as a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So we have S sub n is equal to n over 2 times 2a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. And d being the common difference. So we will be using this formula to solve this problem. Okay, so first thing that we have to do is we need to let a be equal to the first term. And next is we consider that the sum of the first 10 terms of the arithmetic sequence is 160. So that would be 160 is equal to n over 2 times 2 times a, which is the first term, plus n minus 1 times d. So it is given that 160 is equal to n, the number of terms. The first 10 terms is 10 over 2 times 2a plus 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. That is 10 minus 1 times d. So we have, simplifying this, we have 160 is equal to 5 times 2a plus 9d. So we have 160 is equal to 10a plus 45d. Okay, so next thing that we have to consider is the sum of the next 10 terms of the sequence is 340. Okay, so if we imagine this sequence, we should make the reference as the first term. So this would be S sub 20 equal to n over 2 times 2a, which is the first term, plus n minus 1 times the common difference. Okay, so S sub 20 is equal to n, which is 20 over 2 times 2a plus quantity 20 minus 1 times d. Okay, so but it is only given that 340 is the sum of the next 10 terms. So that is 11 term to the 20th term. So we need to add 160 to get the sum of the first 20 terms. So we have 340 plus 160 to get the sum of the first 20 terms. Because 160 is the sum of the first 10 terms and 340 is the sum of the next 10 terms. So that is the sum of the first 20 terms. So 20 over 2 is equal to 10 times 2a plus 19d. Okay, so simplifying the left side, we have 500 is equal to 20a plus 19 times 10 is equal to 190D. That is the next equation. Okay. So next thing that we have to do is we need to multiply the first equation by 2. Equation 1 times 2. And from we subtract it from equation 2. Okay, so equation 2 is equal to 500 equal to 28 plus 190D. And second equation is 160 is equal to 10A plus 45D. Okay, so if we multiply this by 2, we have 160 times 2 is equal to 320 is equal to 28 plus 90D. And we just need to copy the second equation. 500 is equal to 28 plus 190D. So 500 minus 320 is equal to 180. So, and 20 minus 20 cancels out. And 190 minus 90 is equal to 100. D. So D is equal to 180 over 100, or that is 9 all over 5. That is the common difference. 9 all over 5. Okay, so next thing that we have to do, which is also the final step, is we express A, or the first term, in terms of the other terms in either of the two equations. Could be 1 or 2. So, but let us choose equation 1. So 160 is equal to 10A plus 45D, and A is equal to 160 minus 45D all over 10. A is equal to 160 minus 45 times 9 all over 5 all over 10. And 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9. So 160 minus 81 minus 81 over 10. So A is equal to 79 over 10. And this is the first term. And that is our answer. Okay, so thank you for watching until the end of the video. Please like the video if you like our solution, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you will be updated for more math videos like this. Bye.